Hey guys, so quick video for you. If you have the Samsung Galaxy A15 and you're curious if it offers wireless charging, the Samsung Galaxy A15 does not include wireless charging from the factory. However, you can still add wireless charging if you want to with the USB-C and with adapter, like something like this that you would like have on your phone. So that's something you can do. But yeah, the truth to be told that it doesn't have Samsung Galaxy, no, it doesn't have any feature wireless charging. So just be aware of it. And I just want to make this quick video for you regards Samsung Galaxy A15. So have a great day and goodbye.